Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Masid Akbar and you are watching a tutorial about how to use the Final Project Evaluation app. So as a student, your first responsibility is to register for your FYP. So here I will show you how to register and other steps related to your FYP. So first of all, click on the register for FYP button and then fill this form. All the information are required. So first of all, you have to enter the title of your FYP. Consider the title of my FYP is, for example, flood forecasting system. Okay, forecasting system. This is the title of my FYP. Next, your department means the department in which you are taking your FYP. So here let me consider I belong to computer science department, and then enter your email address and email addresses of your group mates. So for example, my email address is this, and for example we are two members in the group. So next member is, for example, user@gmail.com. If you are three members, click on the button. If you are four members, click again on the button, so you can register all your group members. Next, select supervisor department. Maybe your supervisor belongs to some other department, so you can select from here about the department of your supervisor. For example, my supervisor considered belong to software engineering department, so I am selecting software engineering department from this drop down. Next, select your supervisor. For example, Dr. Suhail Khan, and then select your batch. It means in which year you have taken your admission. So for example, the current batch is 2022, and click on the register button. So you will receive an email in your email box which will contain the password through which you can log in into the system. So FYP registration successful. Check your email inbox and spam folders. So let me check my email inbox. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to receive the email, so you have to wait for it. Okay, so I received this email. So dear student, you have been successfully registered for final project. Login detail, username, password, and this is login URL. So let me copy the password and log in into my account. So this is the email through which I registered for FYP, and the password. Sorry, click on the sign in button. Okay, so the first step is to complete your profile. So write your full name, for example, Mia Saeed Akbar. Okay, registration number, for example, 22 MDBCS 777. Department, your current department, for example, computer science. In your section, it is optional. If you belong to some section, write your section, otherwise it is optional, and submit. So profile information updated. Next, you have to update your profile photo. So choose profile photo. For example, this is my photo. So submit. So profile photo also updated. If you want to update your password, you can update your password from this field. Okay, next is the brief description. So once your project has been approved by your FYP coordinator, then you will see here a form in this page in which you can enter your FYP brief description, and that brief description will appear here. Okay, now only I have uploaded my profile photo and other profile information. That's why I see only here one group member. If all group members update their profile photo, so you will see here the profiles of all the members. Next, here is the FYP title, and this is the status. Currently the FYP status is pending. When the FYP coordinator approve this project, so it will become approved. Next is the progress. Here you will see all the tasks the supervisor assigned to you, and you can also comment on those tasks. Here is the FYP documents tab. From here you can upload FYP title, proforma, proposal, poster, thesis in docs or PDF format only. Okay, so this is the overall overview of the FYP project as a student. Okay, now yeah, from here let me sign out. If you forgot your password, so here you can click on forgot my password option, and you will enter your email address. The system will generate a random link and will send it to your email address from where you can update your password. So this is the overall overview of how to use the FYP app. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.